Hello and welcome back. I'm here with Charles Canfield, and Charles is actually the head honcho around here. He's the president of the Santa Cruz Beach Boardwalk, and it seems to me that he's made the Boardwalk's historic carousel his personal project this past year. So tell me about it.
Well, I really have. The ride will be 100 years old shortly, and I wanted to give it just a premier room for it to operate in. And it's been a 2-year project so far. And in 2011, when it's 100 years old, we will have this really in pristine shape.
Now, what else is new this year?
Well, we bought the organ that used to be at Playland in San Francisco. It was back east, and I had an opportunity to purchase it. So I did, and it was a way for me to give back to the Bay Area folks.
What happened to, what's going on with the old organ?
Well, the old organ is back east being refurbished. It's been a year in that process, and it should be back shortly, and we have a new home for it. So we'll have the Playland organ as well as the original one from Santa Cruz playing together here in Santa Cruz.
So you said in 2011 it's going to be 100 years old, the carousel is. So if it was built in 1911, it's almost 100 years old. Why take all this time to maintain and restore a carousel that's so old?
Well, it's really an art piece, and I feel very strongly that you need to preserve these things for people to enjoy in the future. And it's one of the original, the horses are original, and people can come down and ride it and enjoy it. So I feel very thankful that I can put something like this really in top-notch shape.
Seems like you've done a great job at maintaining the balance of preserving the old but also finding new things.
Well, we do. We work very hard on mixing the old and the new. I did buy the old Laughing Sal out of Playland in San Francisco. It's here in the park also. So there's a real linkage between our park and the other parks that operate in California.